lid from the box so it's easier to work on the bench, the first job was to patch in the damaged areas of the top. Using a square and a marking knife, I established clear and clean lines to the area to be patched in and chiselled out. These knife lines sever the fibres, helping to create a crisp and clean edge, slowly working back to the lines with a sharp chisel to start establishing the recess for the mortise patch. Here I'm using a router plane to keep the base of the mortise flat and parallel to the top surface. Turning the adjustment screw 1/4 turn at a time helps take really small shavings so the grain doesn't run out of control, making the mortise too deep. I've cut a strip of pine with straight grain to match the surface of the lid as best I can. With my small plane, I'm slowly removing material from the side walls of the patch until I get a snug fit. I'm still oversized in length and height. That can be trimmed after the piece is glued in. Looking good. After wiping the glue away, a little bit of clamping pressure helps to secure the piece. Once dry, I can flush trim the end and then bring the height of the patch down to that of the lid. Any excuse to use my dinky little brass plane.